If you recently lost your in-house ERP expert, we've got you covered. We have over 30 years of experience in all things Epicor. That includes financial, production, ERP administration, engineering, reports, any and all of it, customizations. We can handle it. We've got the experts here to help out with that. Any trainings or guidance for new employees that get hired, we can handle that. Any types of training with financial ERP management, if you hire a new ERP manager, a new ERP expert, we will always record those meetings and send them to you. So that way you only have to spend the money once to get the training. And that way you can train your employees indefinitely with that, unless new things come out or you need newer information on a newer module, anything like that. And that's just what we work with on the surface. When we get into managed ERP, you'll have access to our help desk support, which is a two-way line of communication with us and you as the client. This is where you'll submit a ticket on anything that you might need help with. So if you want to report, if a report doesn't look right, if a customization is not working, your task agents are off, anything like that, SQL's down, the database isn't working right, any of that would come to us. You'd put a ticket in, you'd set the priority that you want us to work on that with, and we'll reach out as soon as we can. You also get a specific and specified project manager to work on any projects that you might want to open up with us, and they will work directly with you. We'll hold monthly meetings. It's a wonderful thing. It makes it a lot easier for you. You get a specified amount of hours to work with that's specified by you at the start, and monthly that'll go on. And then if you want to update it in the next year or whenever that contract's up, we're always open to adding more. CodaBears and IT go hand in hand. I'm one of the IT consultants here at CodaBears. There are also one or two of us that will also be helping. And we handle everything that comes through the IT infrastructure or administration side of things. We can handle your security cameras and NAS systems, setup and connection management. We can help you with your server stacks if you want to create a new server stack, if you need hardware for a new server stack. We've got the avenues to help set those up, mail them to you, and continue to monitor them if needed. Network and setup, troubleshooting or redesign. If you want to redesign how your network is set up within let's say you move to a new office and you need some new networking setup, we're more than happy to help you. We'll go out there, we'll get a lay of the land, and we'll come up with a design with you and work through that process. We can help you set up firewalls. We work with all sorts. The current one that we found that a lot of companies are switching to is WatchGuard, and we have a lot of experience with that. We personally use it here at CodaBears. Microsoft Azure implementation. If you're thinking about going to the cloud, we don't really recommend going to Epicor Cloud, as they take away your access to the SQL environment, which hinders your ability to do a lot of things with Epicor or on your own and keep your own data in your own hands. But if you want to move off-prem, you don't really need the resources on the premise, but you want to go to the cloud, we're more than happy to help you go into Azure, get that all set up, make sure that you're able to connect and all your users can connect to that. And we also help with cybersecurity. We have demonstrations on how to protect yourself better. We have recommendations for best practices. And we're always staying up to date on the newest breaches on anything or anything that's coming through on the dark web. We monitor anything like that. What's included with our managed IT practice. So what I've specified before, that's all stuff that you can have us do for you. You'll call in, you'll get Frank, and Frank will work through you to get a ticket assigned or a project set up for that. With managed IT, you'll again get access to our help desk support portal. This is where you'll put in any of your questions or requests for us, whether it's setting up new users in your Active Directory, new machines that need to be set up, you've had a breach and you need somebody to go in and bring things back online as safely as possible. All of that would be done through there, or a call to us immediately as well. We'd also be set up we have an email phishing and spam filtering with iron scales. So once you become a part of our managed IT, we'll put that on your M365, which licenses can be bought from PAX 8, which is one of our partners, through us. And then we'd set up iron scales on that O365 users, and each user will have one, and it'll have a little button at the top. Anything that comes through that's suspicious or that it uses machine learning, so that way it can detect things and it'll learn while it goes through what you report on your end. We do remote management. your remote backups and your remote monitoring with Acronis Cyber Protect and Acronis Advanced Management. This allows us to monitor system like server heat, server space, machine memory usage. Anything that does with an endpoint machine or an end user machine can be monitored through this, and we get alerts, warnings, errors, anything of the like. We can monitor what gets installed, what doesn't, what needs to be installed, if a machine needs to be restarted, anything like that. Machine security. This goes back to that cybersecurity point. Our endpoint security system is Sentinel-1. This is a very lengthy endpoint management security system that we install on each server and each machine. With that, we also have a portal. And if you are more interested on that, we do have another video of a presentation I've done on that in the past that goes a little bit more in depth. Again, the network troubleshooting and redesign. We'd help with anything like that. It pretty much will do a company-wide overhaul if you ask for it, where we'll do a server health check. We'll monitor any drops and connections, anything like that, and we'll bring that up to you and see if you're looking to increase or upgrade your current environment and infrastructure. And then same thing with the firewall. Doesn't matter if you're currently using a different firewall or WatchGuard. We'd learn what firewall you're using. We'd go through the processes of getting that set up in our hands, so that way we could monitor everything and make sure your policies are set up the same as they were. We'd use whatever you have already in place. And then on this slide, just to kind of give a little bit more information on what IronScale, Sentinel-1, and Acronis Advanced Management are. IronScales is an advanced email security platform that focuses on phishing and spam threat detection and response. It has real-time automated threat detection and phishing. It allows you to have phishing and simulation campaigns and awareness training that you can send out to your endpoint users. We say do the campaigns on a quarterly basis. Make sure everybody's staying on top of. Make sure you're looking at your emails, reporting things that don't look right. If you fail it, it'll send you to a training. They'll always have to complete that training. You can see who clicked on it or who didn't even open it and just deleted it, which is fine. But we always try to get people in the habit of clicking those report buttons. Sentinel-1 is a cybersecurity platform that provides autonomous endpoint protection using AI to detect, prevent, and respond to real-time threats. And then Acronis Advanced Management is a component of Acronis Cyber Protect that offers centralized automated management of IT systems.
Thanks so much, y'all.
Thank you.